This 2014 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 281BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 7 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 7, refrigerator, awning, TV antenna, microwave, TV, slide-out, external shower, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 281BHXL is 5,396 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.